What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing an upgrade on my 2015 Street Glide Special. I'm going to be changing out the factory cowbell horn. Now the loudness of this particular horn is allegedly 80 decibels. And I'm going to be switching it out to the Arlen Ness Drift Horn Kit cover. Now this particular horn has a loudness of 110 decibel. So we'll take a look what's in the box and then we'll go ahead and get started. So as you can see, you have the horn. There are some spade terminals in the back, which should be a simple plug and play with the spade terminals for the cowbell horn. You should see the same thing. It should be easy as plugging the wiring harness that's already there into these two spade terminals. You also have a wiring harness for your CAN bus if needed. You know, consult your service manual, and there is also, with these instructions, there is a number you can call if you need help. There's also a relay switch which will connect to this CAN bus wiring harness, and for cable management, you got some zip ties. So let's go ahead and get started. So first we need to get off the acorn nut, which is a 1/2 inch. I'm using a 1/2 inch socket. And I already broke this earlier. There is a washer here. And slide this off. As you can see, here's the wiring harness. And there is some cable management where I had to pull off the wiring. And you should just be able to pop these off from the spade terminals. Easier said than done, I guess. And there you have it. And that's it. I don't see a way to reuse this little cable management, but that's pretty much it. And so let's go ahead and get the Arlen Ness horn on. So I went ahead and slid the positive and negative connections over the spade terminals. So I put the positive on the left and the negative on the right. Now all that's left to do is slide it on. Now you want to use some kind of thread lock. Instructions say blue. You can use red if you want to. It's really up to you. I'm just going to put a small drop. I have the washer that came with it. Reuse that. Make sure it's straight and it looks good. I have that snug down for now. Obviously I can do some cable management back here as well, which I will, that's up to you. And the torque spec on this is 80 inch-pounds to 120 inch-pounds. All right folks, that's it for this install. And as you can see, it was simple and easy plug and play. Looks 100 times better to me. Definitely goes well with the black and the chrome on the bike. And if you stay tuned, you'll hear the before and after. I appreciate you watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And always rip the ride. See ya.